In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Canva. Grouping elements is a simple but powerful way to keep your designs neat, organized, and easy to edit. It allows you to move, resize, or adjust multiple items all at once, instead of tweaking each one individually. This is especially helpful when you're working on things like social media posts, presentations, or any design with several shapes, images, or text boxes. Let's start from your Canva design. Make sure you already have at least 2 elements on your page. These could be text, icons, shapes, photos, any combination of them. The goal is to select all the items you want to treat as a single unit. To do that, move your mouse to an empty area close to your elements. Click and hold down your mouse button, then drag to create a selection box around the items you want to group. As you drag, you'll see a faint box appear. Anything fully inside that box will be selected. Take your time to position the box so it includes everything you want and excludes anything you don't. When you release the mouse button, you should see all of those elements highlighted together. This tells you they're currently selected at the same time. If you accidentally miss one, just repeat the drag and adjust your selection so it captures all the correct items. Now that everything is selected, move your cursor over one of the highlighted elements and right-click. A small menu will pop up with several options. Look for the option labeled Group. Go ahead and click on Group. Once you do this, Canva will lock those elements together as a single group. You'll notice that when you click on any part of the group now, the entire set is selected. You can move them around the canvas, resize them by dragging the corners, or duplicate them, and they will stay perfectly aligned with each other. If you ever need to adjust one element inside the group, you can simply double-click on the group to edit individual pieces, or right-click again and choose Ungroup to separate them back into individual elements. And that's all there is to it. By dragging to select your elements, right-clicking and choosing Group, you can work much more efficiently in Canva and keep your designs clean and consistent.